In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what options to choose, and how to get your template ready to use in your campaigns and automations. Let's start from inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're on the main screen for your location, look over to the left-hand side menu. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of your tools related to outreach, including emails, social posts, and more. Opening this section makes it easier to manage everything related to your marketing in one place. After you've clicked on Marketing, you'll see several options appear underneath. Go ahead and click on Emails. This takes you into the email area of your account, where you can see your broadcasts, campaigns, and most importantly for this video, your templates. If you don't see anything yet, don't worry. That just means you haven't created any templates so far, which is exactly what we're about to do. Inside the email section, look for the templates option at the top or within the tabs. Click on Templates. This view is dedicated specifically to reusable email designs. Templates are really helpful because they let you keep a consistent look and feel across all your emails without rebuilding everything from scratch each time. Once you're on the templates page, look for a button that says New or Plus New, usually located at the top right corner. Click on that. This button is your starting point for creating a brand new email template. Right after clicking New, GoHighLevel will ask you how you want to create your template. Depending on your account, you may see options like using a drag and drop builder, starting from a blank template, or choosing from pre-designed layouts. Select the method that best fits your needs. If you're just getting started, the drag and drop builder or a pre-made layout is usually the easiest, because it gives you structure and design elements right away. Once you've chosen your creation method, simply follow the on-screen prompts. GoHighLevel will guide you step by step through naming your template, adding your subject line, and designing the content. Take a moment to